I'm Douglas from BS2 Bank. I'm the CISO and also the fraud prevention superintendent. We are focused on provide financial services for other companies. It's more B2B to C, or in some cases B2B to B2C. We already achieved 10% of the market share of the transactions for companies in Brazil. The main responsibility of my team is to help the business teams to find a way to do their jobs in the easy and safety way. If everyone is working from home, I have to set up some policies coming from this network that is provided by the VPN. And when these users return to the office, the same rule must be applied in the firewall. Firewall and VPNs are not scalable. The way that Zscaler works, it's one only agent and a centralized way to create policies, and this reduces the complexity of my environment. We have reduction of cost and helped us to make the business happen without friction for my user. When we talk about the benefits, Zscaler helped very much to remove our exposure with firewalls and VPNs because we don't have any ports open to the world. Zscaler helped us not only when we talk about north-south, but also lateral movement, east-west. Is different from, for example, flat network, that if some piece of the network is compromised, this can propagate to everywhere inside that network. You collect all the traffic. You understand the behavior of each one of my users, and ZDX give me the whole visibility about performance that with AI embedded in the solution helped us to identify and resolve issues quickly. Business sides also giving me the visibility about who are accessing which kind of solution, and correlating that with the license that I have, bringing me the opportunity to reduce the costs of the solutions and even understand where we are spending money unnecessary. Everyone today talk about, the cyber security professionals must talk the language of the business, but none of them talk about how. The first step is to understand how your company makes money and will have the biggest impact if it's stopped. And when you correlate everything, doing a quantitative risk calculation, providing these numbers to the decision makers, they will listen to you. With Zscaler, it's not just about, we have this vulnerability that must be fixed. Okay, what can happen? Inside Risk 360, I have an online view because I'm consuming all the traffic. The AI model behind provides to me all the visibility if something changes, if a new vulnerability appears, and how it impacts in the calculation. This is amazing. With more context, we are able to define and use better our effort.